Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the system and restarting Explorer. EXE to restore File Explorer quickly. First, save your work and close apps so no data is lost. Then open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S or right-click the taskbar. That's faster. Once there, find Windows Explorer in Processes, select it, and click Restart or choose End Task, and then File Run New Task to launch Explorer. EXE. This resets the shell without a full reboot and often brings back missing File Explorer functionality. Once restarting Explorer didn't help, run built-in repair tools. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt as administrator. First run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. Wait for it to complete. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the system image, then rerun SFC. Meanwhile, make sure File Explorer isn't disabled in folder options and that default apps and user profile settings point to the right shell. These steps fix deeper software issues preventing Explorer from appearing. To finish, address advanced causes like profile corruption or registry misconfiguration. Create a new Windows user and log in. If File Explorer returns, migrate files to the new profile. If that fails, perform a system restore to a known good point or run an in-place repair install to preserve files. Make sure you back up important data first. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the shell registry key at hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /Explorer and ensure it is set to Explorer. EXE. Incorrect values can prevent the shell from launching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.